Today, I will discuss the weathering as a part of the geomorphic process, right? What is and which chapter it is include? It included no, it included geomorphic process, which is third unit of the part A. Third unit of the part A. What is the name of the part A book? What is the name of the part A book? Uh, Fundamental of Physical Geography part belongs to part A. Clear? And what is the name of the part B book? India Physical Environment. And the part C is Practical Work in Geography. Exactly. So already we are continue 3 units from the part A and 2 units from the part B. Clear? Yes or no? According to our half yearly syllabus or Jobita. Okay. But today again I am revise the weathering as a process, one of the important process of geomorphic process. Okay, so weathering. Tell me weathering. Just wait. Weathering. It is related to which word? Weather. Exactly. It is related to weather. Up. The question is, what is weather? Yes. The climatic condition of a small region. Any other statement? Anyone? Afrin? No, not climatic condition. So what is climate? Acha, tell me what is climate, then what is climate? Give me the answer. Then what is climate? What is weather? Is there any difference between weather and climate? What? Weather is? It is enough for the distinguish. So tell me clearly what is weather, what is climate? If the question is that differentiate between weather and climate, tell me what to do. Then what is weather? Weather. Just remember the things. What are the elements of the weather? What are the elements of the weather, or what are the component of the weather which is composed the weather word? What is weather? The element of the weather is, first is exactly temperature. Second is rainfall, right? Yes or no? Clear? Third is humidity. Fourth is pressure. Clear? The list? Clear? All of you? Come. Why are you so late? It's continue again and again. This is the last time. Go. So these are the what? These are the components or elements of the weather, right? What are the elements of the weather, Sonam? Clear? Etc. Just overall अगर हम देखेंगे तो ये 4. Sit down. So the weather deals with this component, yes or no? So what is weather? Actually, these are the temperature, rainfall, humidity, pressure. ये सारे जो component है, ये actually it's basically belongs to the atmosphere, right? So it is atmospheric condition. ये हो सकता है atmospheric condition? Yes or no? It's a part of the atmospheric condition. हो सकता है? Actually, these are the component of the or element of the weather, as well as they are the atmospheric conditions. Clear? Atmospheric condition means today atmosphere. What is the today atmosphere? Today atmosphere is cold, fog weather. Clear? They all are the some condition, some situation, some incident. देखो आज fog है, कल नहीं भी हो सकता है. Clear? So these are the some what? These are the some what? Condition मान लो. The condition नहीं बोलेंगे, situation मान लो, incident. Clear? So at सबसे better, the best is atmospheric conditions. Clear? So those are the atmospheric conditions. That means temperature, rainfall, humidity, pressure, etc. are composed weather. So weather is an atmospheric condition of a particular place. Clear? Yes or no? Weather, the main thing is basically weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular place. Clear? There any doubt, any question regarding this portion? Up to this portion, tell me. Any question? Satyam, Jyoti, response. Tell me any doubt. If you face any problem, if you face any doubt, you can put your question in the chat box. Okay, no sir. Okay. Next. So weather clear. Next is climate. What is climate? Weather clear, the atmospheric condition of a particular place. What are the atmospheric condition? Ruchi, what are the atmospheric condition? Exactly. Temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity of a particular place is called a climatic, is called atmospheric condition. That means the weather condition of a particular place. Sit down. Clear? Yes or no? Tell me. And what is climate? Then what is climate? Basu, what is climate? It already completed. It's a revision class. Tell me. What is climate? What type of condition? It's weather condition. Sit down. Weather is atmospheric condition. Clear? And climate is weather condition. What are the difference between atmospheric and weather? Atmospheric condition means it's composed of rainfall, temperature, humidity. It's a very temporary situation. This weather, it's very temporary situation. Why very temporary situation? Because today weather is foggy right now, but after two hours it's become a sunny. ये भी हो सकता है, right? Yes or no? हो सकता है, yes or no? After 2 hours become a rainy season. ये भी हो सकता है. So the weather change very frequently. That means it's not a permanent. It's a temporary basis. That's why it's changed within within few hours, within few minutes, within fraction of second. हम लोग देखते हैं जब within fraction of second rainfall आ गया, right? Clouds are accumulated and rainfall. Okay, so weather is changed very frequently. That means it is a not permanent phenomena. It's a temporary situation. Clear? Temporary. Okay, but climate is a permanent situation. Climate is a permanent situation. Why climate is permanent situation? Because it's the average weather condition of a particular place. Average weather condition of a particular place. Clear till now? Like seasons, exactly. Okay. हम आ रहे हैं उस पे. Clear all of you? Satyam, Jyoti, response. Clear? What is the difference between climate and weather? Yes or no? Clear? I think. So what is the average year, or what is the average time? What is the time from weather to climate? What is the average time to take change weather into the climate? How much time to take to form a climate? No. Averagely, we are considered averagely 35 years weather condition. We are considered averagely 35 years of weather condition as a climate. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? we are consider averagely 35 years of weather condition of a particular place is weather climate. Clear? Weather is atmospheric condition, climate is weather condition. Weather condition of what? Weather condition of a particular place, averagely 35 years. Clear? Yes or no? Average 35 years. Up to this portion is clear? Yes or no? All of you? Once repeat. Okay. That means climate is a average weather condition of a particular place. Average means approximately 35 years. मतलब 35 years का जो weather condition वो है क्या? वो है climate. क्योंकि climate बहुत टाइम, इट्स टू टाइम टेकिंग, धीरे बहुत समय लगता है, ये फास्टली क्विकली चेंज नहीं होता है. क्लियर? इट्स ह्यूज टाइम टेकिंग. तो दैट्स व्हाई दैट्स सीजन. एक जैसे हम लोग मतलब समर के बाद मान लो कि विंटर, विंटर के बाद रेनफॉल, जो भी है, जो ये जो सीजनल जो चेंजेस है ये आने में बहुत ज्यादा समय लगता है. Clear? Yes or no? Because it's depend on various climatic conditions and or climatic factor. So that's why it is a permanent phenomena. Clear? The difference between weather and climate, yes or no? Reminder, all of you. Next time I पूछूंगा. This portion clear? Now to the weathering. So weathering is coming from the weather, right? So it deals with what? Atmospheric condition, different atmospheric condition, right? Yes or no? If the weathering is come from the weathering, what is coming from the weather, that means it deals with atmospheric condition, yes or no? Agree or disagree? Okay, okay. So what type of weather condition it deals with? Weathering. Exactly, the weather condition is same. Clear? Yes or no? Weather condition are not change, it's same. So the temperature, rainfall, humidity, pressure, etc., it's affected the rocks. It's affected the rocks. Ab now the question is, just 1 minute. What is the effect of the rock? What is the effect of the atmospheric condition towards the rocks? क्या है वो effect क्या है? What is the effect of the atmospheric condition? Exact. Okay. Just. अच्छा. हम लोग मैंने शॉर्ट में लिखा effects of atmospheric condition. So atmospheric condition clear already. First is, what is the impact or what is the effect of the atmospheric condition towards the rocks? Firstly, formation. Okay, formation. Not formation. Next, formation नहीं हो सकता है. It's change the outer part. It's change the formation means one type of formation हो सकता है, but rocks is natural things. Rocks तो natural things है, वो एक होता ही है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर क्या changes आता है? Changes of the shape. Formation means changes of the shape. It formation of soil. Very good. Actually, weathering is the one of the important process for soil formation. Clear? मतलब soil किस लिए होता है? Soil weathering की वजह से होता है. Exactly. Formation of rocks हम चलो half हम accept कर ली. Okay. But mostly, what is the first effect is? What is the effect? What? Disintegration of rocks. Deformation हो सकता है. Deformation means change. Deformation, disintegration. So one by one. Disintegration. Number 2, deformation. Decomposition. Decomposition means chemical reaction. Exactly. और डिकम्पोजिशन बोल सकते हैं. डिकम्पोजिशन तो मेनली What is the disintegration of the rocks? Disintegration means fragmentation. Disintegration means fragmentation. What is the meaning of fragmentation? Exactly. It's divided into part by part or divided into small part. Clear? So disintegration oblique fragments लिख सकते हैं, yes or no? Disintegration oblique fragments. Clear? बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना सबको? Yes or no? Second is deformation. What is the what is meaning of the deformation? It's change to another shape. It's looks like, पहले मान लो कि it's looks like a prism, then it is round shape. That means it's deformation, another formation. Clear? Suppose that पहले इस तरीके का था, अब हो गया इस तरीके का. क्यों? अपर पोर्शन ब्रेक डाउन होके निकल गया. Suppose. So this is called deformation. Clear? And the last one is decomposition. Decomposition outer portion से दिखता है. Exactly. Why? Because it's affected or it is related to the chemical composition, right? Yes or no? Okay. So basically, अब हम weathering पे डायरेक्ट आते हैं. Weathering process. Weathering is basically three types. अच्छा, पहले तो definition क्या हुआ? What is weathering? When the rocks are mechanically disintegrated or fragmented and chemically decomposed is called weathering. Clear? Yes or no? The process which affected the disintegration and decomposition of the rock is called weathering. Clear? Basically, weather are three types of weathering. What are the three types? Number one is, can I erase it? Types of weathering. Number one. Number one is physical weathering or mechanical weathering. Satyam, Ritik, can you hear me? Jyoti, response.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Response. Hello. Satyam.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Physical or mechanical weathering. What is the physical or mechanical weathering? Only this weathering process is basically affect the fragmentation or disintegration of the rock. Clear? It is only deals with fragmentation or disintegration. Clear? That means no chemical changes is composed in this process. No chemical changes. Second is chemical composition, chemical weathering. Second is chemical weathering. What is chemical weathering? It means what? Decomposition of the rocks. It deals with decomposition of the rocks. And the third one is, what is the third one? Biology. Very good. Clear? And the third one is biological weathering. Clear? Board is visible? Yes or no, all of you? Achha. So it deals with fragmentation of rock. First one. Clear? Only fragmentation of rock. That means rocks are fragmented into different parts. What are the process? Reminder. Block disintegration, granular disintegration, exfoliation. Block disintegration means just break down into small, the big rocks into smaller part. Clear? What is exfoliation? The outer portion of the rock is removed from the main rock. It's called exfoliation. Clear? Frost weathering. What is the frost weathering? due to the weathering also happen due to the frost weathering. Frost also related to the physical or mechanical weathering because it is only fragmented the rock. Clear? I will send some picture because I will send some picture in our WhatsApp group. It's related to plate tectonic, weathering, etc. All the process which is mentioned here. Clear? So minutely follow the diagram. Okay, you can use the diagram in your exam. Acha. And the biological weathering deals with what? Deals with what? Biological. It means it's related to what? Whom? It's related to whom? Biological weathering. It's related to human being, animals also, and tree. Clear? Why? Suppose that, just look. What is this? Roots, exactly. Roots are enter to the what? Deep soil or rock, and it is fragmented the rocks, inner part of the rocks, which is earth crust. Which is earth crust? Earth crust से कौन सा portion को break down कर रहा है? Continental crust को. Clear? Yes or no? It's enter the soil and go to the up to the rocks. Okay, and it is fragmented these areas rocks. Clear? So in that way, it is participate in the biological weathering. What we are the human being, we constructed various house, building, construction. We are doing some construction activity into various part of the topography. Various part of the topography means either it is mountain, either it is plateau region, either it is plain region. So in that way, we are the part of the biological weathering. We are also doing some activity which is related to the fragmentation of rocks. So clear? Yes or no? What is weather? So summary kare. What is weather? What is climate? What are the weather conditions? What are the climatic conditions? What is the difference between weather and climate? Clear? Yes or no? Then we go to the weathering. What is the characteristics of the weathering? These are the characteristics of weathering. And also we are focused on the three types of weathering. Physical or mechanical weathering, it's related to fragmentation of the rock. Chemical weathering, it's related to decomposition or chemical change of chemical properties of the rock. And the last one is biological weathering. That means it deals with human being and plants, animals. Clear? Any question, any doubt up to this portion? So from the next day, we will continue our